Where is it?
They're all hiding in this kelp bed.
So the kelp bed is also going to be a spot where you're going to lose a lot of your tackle because it's going to get caught.
Papa, I see.
So one thing I learned online from a YouTube channel about getting snagged, and the intent of the sinker is that it stays in place, but especially here with all the rocks and the kelp, you're gonna get snagged pretty often. So what I found that they did was they just did a surgeon's knot and just double knotted it, and then as needed it would actually get stuck, but the knot would get loose, and so you wouldn't lose your line. So we're gonna try that today, because especially with kids, I'm sure we'll get some snags. So that's it. It's just 2 surgeon's knots on a 1 ounce, and then I'm gonna do a high-low 2 feet from the weight. And if you want to know how to do a T-knot, I do have a video of it
Papa, how do you do
today.
How do you do it?
You gotta watch my video to find out, okay? And my trusty boomerang tool. I have a few of these and I love it. Just clip it onto my belt, and whenever I need to, I could just slip it on and off.
Now the birds know that we're here.
Okay, the first line we got out is 1 shrimp. Okay, let me get it close. See it?
No. Where's Zappa?
It's right in front of us.
It is?
Yeah,
I don't see it.
just let it sit.
Okay. Because it waves
You're-
like rocket.
Yep.
I think I can see it now.
Yeah, it's right there, right in front of us.
Yeah.
Okay, there's fish already going to it.
There are. I see black fish. I'm gonna catch it. I caught a black fish. See?
It's down here, but you kind of have to aim it.
But like you also gotta like reel it in. Oh, what fun it is. Do that.
What'd you catch it?
It's tiny.
Ooh, cool.
Under here.
Ah, cool.
Under here. You can hold it. I won't get spiked.
Huh? You won't get spiked. Hold it tight though. Let me see.
It's a dangerous fishy.
Say hi.
It's dangerous.
Huh?
Ah,
You gotta hold it tight.
my fish.
Hold it tight. Good job. Let me see.
Its scales are like rainbow.
Yeah.
Let it go.
No, just a towel.
That's it?
Yeah, just use a towel.
Peppa, can I throw them out? See the butterfly? I want to throw them out.
You don't want to keep it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't want to kill him.
Yeah, you can eat these. There's no limit on these.
Let's save it to eat.
Yeah, there's no size limit.
Yeah.
You're learning how to do it. Okay.
I thought.
Huh?
Oh. So here, Andrew, I'll unhook it.
Yeah. Hold on, Andrew. Wait there. Wait there, Nathan. You can go.
Andrew, that rod's gonna fall.
It won't fall.
Hey, fish, right?
Here, Nathan. You can help him by holding the rod.
Fish. The fishy of the century. Woo, woo. Nathan, you want my rod? Nathan, you want my rod? Papa, you can.
Oh, you see that big orange one? Right in front of you guys? On the right. Look down. Boys, I caught one. Owen, what happened right now? Where's the other half of the net?
Right here.
Where's the rest of it? Where? In there? In there where? In there?
I don't see it.
How did that happen?
It flipped.
But you had the handle.
Yeah. No, we shouldn't have this handle.
Let's see. So this is what we have. The rest of the net is this. There you go. It's okay. Okay. All right. What'd you guys catch? What is that?
Butter perch.
Butter perch.
A butter perch.
Let me see, Owen. Oh, let me see.
Yeah.
Ooh, Andrew, let me see.
Can I throw this one in the ocean?
No, right here. Let me see. Bring it in. Ooh.
Appa, can we throw one of these in the ocean? Please?
All right, guys. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
All right.
Now let's gut them out and eat that banana. Stay here. What's California Corvina?
Corvinas are cool. Croaker, don't eat. Pacific Barracuda.
Appa, you caught this
Don't
before. Appa, you caught this before.
I did, huh? Kelp bass, California
Wait, where's
scorpion
your
fish.
black croaker?
Eat the good fish. See, the good fish are the opali, corvina, mackerel, queenfish, surf perch. 2 servings per week.
Probably like total serving a week. California halibut.
Yeah,
Shovelfish, guitarfish. Wait, you caught one of those?
you can eat those. Yeah.
Aren't those rare?
No, you can eat those. All right. See you later, CDM.